G'day, Craig here from Six Wheel Adventure Touring. I had something go bang. Now, as you can see, my drive shaft is spinning. This axle isn't spinning. And I've already put another hub on this one, so I didn't think it'd be this hub, but that one's fine. You'll notice the rear tail shaft's not spinning. And if we go around here, I'm only in all-wheel drive, so the front tail shaft won't be spinning either if I come down here so you can have a look. So if you have a look there at the front diff, the front tail shaft's not spinning. But if we go to the back here, this tail shaft just walked out while I've been sitting here. Actually, it was in and it was spinning like that. Now that tells you it's dumped the spline and chewed the spline out in that hub. That's how you diagnose. Put it in first gear, and as you can see, it's actually spun it out enough now that it's just popping out on its own. So all it is this hub here. 5 bolts, and we can replace that, and I'm on the road again. But that's how you diagnose. Now, how you can tell if it's possibly a hub also is if I jump in it.
32 lives lost in September. The year before,
stick my foot back on the clutch, engage 6-wheel drive. I'll just turn that radio down. I will be able to drive forward. See that? I can actually drive forward. And that's because I've locked the centre diff. But at the moment the centre diff with that unlocked is spinning and allowing all the drive to just go out that broken hub. Now, if it was a broken axle, we'd still have the tail shaft spinning, but it wouldn't be spinning on the end here if the axle had snapped. These are actually a heavy duty axle, I believe, in the 6-wheel drives, so it wouldn't have spun. It's not likely to break an axle, but it has spun the spline out of the hub. For all I know, these could be the original, well, they're a flange. They're part of the hub assembly, but it's called the flange, the axle flange. So I do have spares. I'll pull one out of my truck now and put it on, and I'll be on the road again. And then I've got some freewheeling hubs to fit on the back there, so I may even look at doing that to replace this one. So let's get into it and get it all done. Anyway, have a good weekend. Like the video if I've helped you at all, or if you learnt something, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers guys.